What is the first thing everybody should know about budgeting? I like to say the first thing you need to know is what's coming in and what's going out, right? So as much as I'll say this a lot, I used to hate math homework. I hated numbers and all things math, but math and money are not the same thing. But in the end, it's all a simple math problem. What you're bringing in needs to be less than you're spending. So the very first starting place when you're looking at your budget is what's coming in, what's going out. A lot of the times we don't even know what that is. It's not uncommon that you don't know where your money's going. You don't know that you're still paying for a subscription you signed up for 6 months ago. I was actually working with some clients recently, husband and wife, and they found out they were both paying for an Amazon Prime subscription, but didn't know it because they weren't tracking their expenses or paying attention to it. So awareness is one of the biggest things. Before we really dive into YNAB and start learning the software, one of the things I'll have you start doing is just tracking your expenses. Not with the intention of trying to change anything, but just to start bringing that awareness to it, because especially right now it is so easy to spend money, right? You can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer, you can do it through your watch, right? So, stopping for a second and just starting to become aware, listing out where you're spending money. And a lot of the times it is the seemingly little things. I had a client who her advice was Red Bulls at a gas station in the afternoon. Once we started looking at it, she was like, I could buy a pack of Red Bull at Costco instead of at the gas station, right? You can still get the same results of having the Red Bull, but save money in the process. So, starting to track all those little expenses of $3 to $5 to $20, everything that's going out, but also everything that's coming in. That's really the first starting point when we get to the numbers, is making sure that what you're bringing in is more than what is going out.